Hello, welcome. We are on day 11 of our 30-day Yoga-Trapeze challenge. I cannot believe we're already this far. We're going to be doing a power yoga flow, so let's go ahead and get started. Standing in front of the trapeze, we want to take our arms back around, walk it back. So that way we have the strap right around the back of our rib cage. Then we're going to inhale, drop the right hand down, reach over with the left. Exhale, bring it up. Inhale, left arm down, reach over with the right. So twice more. Inhale. Exhaling up. Inhaling over. One more round. Nice, then we're going to drop the hips, bend the knees, open the heart. Then exhale, tuck the tailbone around and press forward. Inhale, bend the knees, drop the hips, maybe take the hands behind the head, elbows wide. Exhale, tuck, reach it forward. Once more. Nice, then we'll go ahead and stand up. Taking the feet nice and wide, reach the arms out. We're going to twist over to the right. Inhale, center, little bend in the knees. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, little bend in the knees, center. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. We'll go ahead and sit into the hammock. So you want to close your eyes or soften your gaze. We'll go ahead and set an intention for today's practice. An intention of health and vitality. Affirming this intention as though it were already true. I am healthy. I am full of vitality. Where and how do you feel this sense of health and vitality in your body? Allow that sensation to completely fill you up, and we'll move forward with that sensation throughout this practice. Now we're going to take the arms out to the sides of the hammock. We're going to lie back. You can stay holding onto the hammock, and then exhale. We're going to bring our knees into our chest, slowly curl up, just warming up the core. Inhale, lengthen out. Exhale, lift. Nice, 3 more. And then holding at the top, breathing in, maybe we release the hands. You can press your arms into the side of the hammock to help with balance, or open them out for a little bit more of a challenge. Breathing in and out. One more round of breath, maybe get a little bit higher. Breathing in and out. Then inhale, release and soften. We can hook the elbows, gently lean out forward, rolling the ankles one direction and then the other. Nice, we'll go ahead and plant the feet, slowly sitting up. We'll come around to the back of the hammock now. Placing the hammock right underneath the hips, you want to walk your feet forward. Slowly hinge over the hammock, placing the hands down, lifting through the heels, then softening the heels down as you bend the knees. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, bend the knees, soften. You can then start to round through the spine. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend and round. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Once more. Nice, then walking the hands and feet back, coming into a downward dog. Really pressing up and back through the hips, rising up through the shoulder blades, core is engaged, rooting down, feeling that sense of health and vitality. One more round of breath here. Nice. On your next inhale, we'll come into high plank. Inhale, press back downward dog. Exhale, shifting the shoulders over the wrists. Really press down. Inhale back. On your next exhale, hold it forward here. Lift the legs off of the mat. So now we're coming into like a floating plank, breathing strong in your body. We're going to drop our left foot down, spin onto that left hand, left side, breathing strong here. You can tuck your left toes, really press into the earth. And then if you're starting to open out through that belly, curl it in. Breathe into your body, long neck. If you need a yoga block to help lift your arm a little bit or adjust your yoga hammock so it's a little bit lower, find a height that works for you. One more inhale. And then exhale, we're going to place our right hand down, take our right leg to the outside of the hammock, pressing the feet together, nice and strong, grounding down through the hands, pressing into the top of that left thigh. If you need to adjust, you can. Then we're going to take that right knee to our right elbow. Inhale back. Twice more. Exhale. And inhale. Once more. Hold it forward. Lift. Lower. Exhale that knee up. Inhale down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Twice more. Up. And lift. Hold it here. Breathing in and out. In and out. One more round of breath. Get nice and strong. In and out. Then step that foot to the top of your mat. We can gently press that front leg straight as we inhale, then exhale. Bend into the knee, maybe even lift that heel up. Inhale, press it back. Exhale, bring it forward. Inhale. You can even bend the back knee as well. Twice more. Nice. On that next knee bend, drop the left hand down and reach the right arm up. 3 big arm circles with that top arm. Other direction. Keeping those hips spiraling forward. Nice. Then placing that hand down. Straighten through the front leg. Maybe you can set your back foot down or keep it floating, up to you. Breathe in, halfway lift through the spine. Really press into that front heel. Nice. Then setting that foot down, we're going to rise up, rotate to face that left leg. Spin the back heel up, then inhale, lengthen through the front. If you need to hold onto your handles for balance, you can. Then exhale, pull it back in. Inhale, lunge it forward. We want our ankle right underneath our knee. Foot is flexed as though it's standing on the ground. Twice more. Arms can open as you lower. Pull them back as you bring back. Once more. Nice. Then hold that lunge forward. We're going to take our right hand to the inside of that hammock. Reach back with the left. I'm pressing my arm back into the fabric behind me. Big twist, spiraling that right hip forward, left hip back. Then I'm going to straighten and bend my left leg. Inhale and exhale. Twice more. Nice. Then hold it here, breathing in and out. 2 more rounds of breath. Feel that vitality, feel that health moving through every pore, every fiber of your being. Beautiful. And nice and slow, we're going to turn to face the right side, so opening those legs. We're going to take our hands down to the earth. So my left leg is still in the hammock, and then just doing a bit of a wide-legged forward fold. I'm gonna take my left leg straight. You can walk your hands out, gently send the hips back. One more round of breath. Nice, then I'm going to keep walking my hands back to the front of the mat. Really grounding down, sweep that foot back up. Then take it to the inside of the hammock. I'm gonna pull my left knee forward so that way the fabric slides right underneath my hip bones. Exhale, downward dog. Take a few rounds of breath here. You can have the feet up or down, up to you. Maybe even find some movement. Nice, so then we're going to come into our plank, lifting the back legs, nice and strong. Then we're going to drop our left foot to the earth. You can tuck the toes, right foot to the earth, tuck the toes, right hand underneath the shoulder. Then I'm going to rotate to the side of my right hip. Left leg is long, left arm in the air, 3 big. Engaging the core, lengthen through the spine, ground down to expand out. Couple more rounds of breath here. Nice, then I'm going to place my left hand back to the earth, swing that left foot to the outside. You can always step down to readjust the strap around your right thigh. Really try to get those hips level, grounding down. You're really going to probably be pushing through that left hand a little bit extra. Then I'm going to bend left knee to shoulder, inhale back. Exhale, bend it in. Inhale back. Once more. Exhale. Hold it here. We're going to drop it down towards the elbow. Exhale, lift. Inhale down. Exhale, lift. 3 more. And hold it here. Breathing in and out. Get it higher. 2 more rounds of breath. Nice, then we're going to step that foot down, walk it to the top of the mat. Hands move back slightly. We're going to inhale, press into the heel, lengthen through both legs. Exhale, bend that front knee, lift that front heel, maybe back leg bends in, only if that feels good. Inhale, both legs lengthen. Exhale, either front knee or both knees bend. Few more rounds. Nice, then we're going to bend into that front knee, planting the foot. Right hand down, inhale, left arm lifts, big spiral, big twist, rotate that top arm, 3 big circles, one direction, and then the other. Nice, then placing that hand back down, inhale, lengthen through that front leg, hold and breathe. Really grounding down. I'm not just dropping into this, I'm staying really active. Vitality. Nice, then shifting forward. We're going to rise up. Turn to face that right knee. Back heel comes up. So now the hammock is right underneath the front of that thigh. Then I'm going to inhale. Bend into that front knee, shift the hips forward. Exhale, pull it back. Option to have the arms floating out as you lunge forward. Exhale back, hands together. Or hold onto your handles, whatever you need. Twice more. On this next lunge here, hold it. Left arm is going to go through, right arm back. Really press your front arm into the hammock, spiral those hips. Then I'm going to straighten my front leg as I inhale and exhale, bend that knee. Inhale and exhale. 3 more times. Staying strong in your back leg. Holding it out here. Breathe into your body. Stay spiraling. Stay open. One more round of breath. Nice and slow. Facing back towards that left. Hands come to the earth. Straighten through both legs. Send the hips back. Wide-legged forward fold. On your next inhale, bring the hips back to center, walking hands underneath. Walk them towards the top of your mat. Then we're going to swing that left leg back. Slide it into the hammock as you pull your right knee forward, which places the fabric right underneath your hip. Then exhale. Maybe bring your feet together. Let the knees be wide and soft. Soften through the back. Option to take your fingers, clasping them together. Allow them to drop overhead behind you. Couple rounds of breath here. Nice and slowly release the clasp, placing the hands down, walking the elbows forward. Just a couple more rounds of breath here. If you want a side stretch, you can pull that left hip in, really press into the right hand. Then other side. And coming to center, really press into the arms, tuck the tailbone, breathe into the back of the body. Then nice and slow, bring your heels to your hips, keeping the knees bent, release the forehead. 2 more rounds of breath here. Wonderful, nice and slow. Knees come together, shifting forward, coming back up onto the hands. Set the feet down. Slowly start to rise back up. If you want to take a savasana in your hammock, you can. Just coming back to that intention of health and vitality. Carry that intention into your day and into your life, because the more we practice and stay consistent, the more we're going to cultivate that within ourselves. I will see you tomorrow for day 12. Have an amazing day.